Paintings and murals have three main subject types, which we've discussed some of. They're figurative, narrative, and diagrammatic. Figurative is really the first and most important because it lends itself to the other three. Now, for diagrammatic art is art primarily paintings and murals, intended to convey large amounts of highly structured and codified information to the viewer. Some of the diagrammatic paintings are very didactic, others less so. The most common form that most people already know are mandalas. Mandalas are symbolic palaces and deities of a particular tantric cycle. They're not a pure land. They're not something off in the universe and in the sky and they exist somewhere. No, these are mnemonic devices that are done in a circular pattern. And basically, the Tibetan word translated into English means center and circumference. So you have a center point, which is a central deity in a square palace. And then you have the outer universe, this circle outside, and this is a object of meditation. So we have mandalas. We have many types, and some mandalas have deities painted in them, murals and scroll works. Others use letters to represent the deity if it's a simple mandala construction. Others might simply have colored dots, small colored circles to represent the deity. So mandalas, there's many different types. But for diagrammatic art, we also have a sort of a series of different kinds of charts. We have astrological charts, medical charts, body mandala charts, and yantra charts. And these are generally meant to be used as teaching aids and reminders to the students to help them in their learning process. Then we have another type, which is sort of can be a mixture of figurative and diagrammatic, and that's where you have hand and footprints represented in the painting. Sometimes there's no figures, or sometimes it's simply a deity, and then the hands and footprints of a human teacher. Then we have refuge field, or more properly, the field for the accumulation of merit, a dzogchen. These are also diagrammatic art to try and depict in a visual way the entire field for going for refuge, to acquire merit by going for refuge. Then this is the field, and it's arranged as a diagrammatic composition. Wheel of Life is another example of diagrammatic art. Cityscape paintings also fall under this category. Offering paintings, where you have this balimta or torma, Tibetan sort of stylized food offerings, along with depictions of weapons and animals and different creatures. All of these are also fall under diagrammatic art. So this is just a brief introduction to this very large topic.